You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the rather confusing name of this organic compound. If you want to learn more names from science, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. So, two different ways that are correct in English to pronounce it, if not three. Nitrile, that's one of them. Nitrile. You can also say it as nitrile. Alright? When you say trial, you can either say trial or trial. Alright? Can you hear the difference? So, two or two and a half pronunciations, nitrile or nitrile or nitrile. Alright? Did you get this? Can you hear the subtle differences? Was this any useful? Let me know your pronunciation or preferred pronunciation in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.